Hello, Mr. President. Yo, Keith, what's good, yo? You've been holding me down for mad years. I need your help now. Stormy Daniels put me on blast for smashing those cheeks back in the day. The cheeks was subpar. She's a dub now. I know you saw her in the chubby cheeks in South Carolina looking like a fucking Grand's biscuit. I need some new bitches. You got any new hoes on deck for me? Any Pinot stars? Let's look through this list. Let's start calling some hoes. Trumpito the God. Let me see what I got here. Let's see. What do we got here? Shyla Styles. What do you think about her? What do you think about Shyla Styles? Sir, I regret to inform you that she's no longer with. Oh, goddamn. How long? Is she still warm? No? Okay, fuck it. Let's see. What else we got here? Oh. Rachel Starr. Rachel Starr sounds interesting. What's her rates? What are her rates? She's 1,500 in calls, sir. That's a little too steep for me. Sorry. Is there any bitches that do in calls at Mar-a-Lago? Yes? Who? Michelle Anthony? Give her a call. Call her up. Let's see. Let's see what she's about.
Hello? Hello? Hi. Yeah, this is Michelle Anthony. I'm in Staten Island right now. Yeah, I need work. Can I come see you?
You sound really hot. What are you? What's your background? Are you white?
Yeah, I'm white. You know I'm white. Come on. I listen to hip-hop, but, it's about it. I'm a woman. I'm definitely a woman. I want to come see you at Mar-a-Lago. I need some money quickly, though. I'm feeling kind of sick, So, what do we got? What do we do? What do you want to do? We want to meet
Hello?
up?
Who's on my phone?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm getting interrupted. My roommate's bugging me.
Michael Anthony, is that you on my phone?
Mom, shut the fuck up, Mom. I'm trying to make a business transaction over here.
Michael Anthony, who the fuck are you talking to on the phone?
Mom. Shut the fuck up, Mom.
Who the fuck?
Mom, shut up.
Are you pretending to be a woman?
No, I'm not.
Hello?
Hey, Don. Hey, Donnie. How you doing? It's Michelle again. I'd really like to meet up with you ASAP. My rate is 40 roses for a girlfriend experience.
Who the fuck is Donnie? What are roses? You're a florist now?
What's going on here?
Who are you? Who is this?
Are you really a woman? What's going on here? Are you trying to fool me?
Who is this talking?
You can't fool me. I'm the business leader of the world. I'm the wheeler and dealer of the world.
Listen, you fucking scumbag. If I catch you anywhere near my sweet Michael Anthony, if you were the guy selling him the bad dope, a guy I'm sick in the bathroom, I swear I'll cut your gonads over, stick down your motherfucking throat.
What's going on here? Is this a 2-for-1, Michelle? What's happening?
You piece of garbage.
Your partner
I'm gonna
sounds
press
like a
star
dog.
69. I'm gonna track this fucking call.
Mom, you're a fucking bitch. I almost made a sale, you fucking cunt. Get out of here.
Oh, no, I can't do this. I'm going to end up on TMZ again. I got to go. Mom, you fucking whore! You fucking bitch!
Michael Anthony, I can't believe this is what you're doing with your life.
I almost scored 40 for a bag. All I had to do was suck a little wrinkly cock.
Oh, my God.
You ruined my fucking life.
Oh.
I'm going to call Dad and tell him to fucking arrest you for being a slut.
Mother Teresa, give me the patience and the guidance.
Fuck you! Give me those fucking rosaries. I'm going down to the pawn shop. Get out of here! Now, fuck you! I'm out of here. Go to Victory Boulevard. Julio, pick up now! Julio! Do the fucking trap. I almost sold my ass for some dope. This isn't fucking embarrassing. Bodega Boys episode 97. It was a good year for hip-hop. Wu-Tang forever. Motherfuckers. Shout out to Staten Island. I'm fucking sick, man. Fucking sick.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh, God. Wow. So we were like, we're going to skip that, but okay. My God. Starting off hot, huh? It's going to be one of those episodes. Episode 97 coming to you live from Red Bull Studios.
That's right.
We got to get an Oscar for that. That was Mudbound, nigga.
Yeah.
All right?
That's your Dunkirk.
Take that, Mary J. Blige. Yo, as always, coming to you live from Red Bull Studio, 220 West 18th Street. Do the drop. as always, you know, if you want to support, go buy some Red Bull, because each can of Red Bull, we donate a pair of off-white Jordans to a small child in Africa.
That's right.
That's right, because we are benevolent.
And they become dusty immediately.
As
soon as they come out the box.
But you know what? Kid's still fresh. That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
You gotta be fresh on the Serengeti.
And you gotta leave the little zip tie on there, or else
You got
it's
to,
not valid.
because then people, how else would people know it's off-white?
Like, come on, hello.
I paid $400 extra for a pair of Uptowns. Like,
Dog, do you think I took anything off them Timberlands when we got them?
Oh, no. You leave it all on.
Nope. Nigga, I wear them shits with the dust bag on.
I just walk around with the box in my hand. Yo, it's your boy. La 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 la. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Chipotle, aka Box Stay Fat like Tyrio, Kiss That Porcelain Dick, Eli Lippy, Butchers Slowly, so but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with around Mio Nova Santa Noventa, Cuatro Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Local Goompi, put up from 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, dog.
Don't know my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi into Jamaican Jew, Shalom.
Yeah.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa.
Yeah.
Costa Mufasa, Young Charcuterie out the Coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, que lo que.
Hey, papi, estamos lindo.
Yeah, Vice K. Makuzaka, 3-Phone Jones, Jesus Ek Machina, J. Chuck with Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute.
Shit.
Leonardo DiTrapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have a mega mix, 6 hours of Hadaway. What is love? The original GOAT, the curry goat. DJ Spicer, Jamal Ashburn, the Bronx, the lead, Dion Ray, nephew, the Marino. You cannot contain the human meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, Human Weather's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decating, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morse with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles.
Nah.
Got too much sodium, dog. Can't do it no more.
Too many.
I'm going to get the gout. My big toe going to like swell up and be painful
you
and
can't
shit.
have that.
Can't have that at all. I'm going to wear my sneakers.
That's you got to buy them half a size up from now on. Nah, bro.
Can't
lose
live
half your
life like
collection.
that. That's wild. The Prince of Pecco, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. That's right. Got the cheap material on, barely covering my balls.
Yeah.
You like it, I put it on the IG, make you uncomfortable. Yeah. Now it's on your Explorer page. You're embarrassed because you liked it. You didn't want to. William H. cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. Dollar.
Yeah.
Forget the small change. Give me big money. Wheel up. The original only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one, top left.
Don't tease me, bro.
Yo, Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. David, these expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Smokey Noah. I'm walking away from the Knicks. Look at me. Mr. Shopping in the street easy with the bad breezes like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic bae. Steal your neighbor's mail and I assume their identity for fun.
Wow, that's right. Yo, episode 97 is a fond year for me because it's the year that I both got toppy and graduated from junior high school.
Congratulations.
Yay! It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, Jump the Curb, nigga, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, a fucking man, a.k.a. Check the guest list again, nigga, I'm on it right next to P.O. He not even tall enough to ride the rides, nigga, what the fuck? I spend half my annual income in-app purchases, nigga. Why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? I'm a.k.a. Bitch Smack Biyombo, a.k.a. Dick in your bay, my tumble. You know, come in this pussy no more, my nigga. This pussy belong to me now, okay? Look at me in my eyes. This is my pussy, my nigga. I take it.
Okay.
A.k.a. Barlow Santana, nigga, so smooth. A.k.a. the Dominican Dada, a.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, but I go to the Super Bowl every year, it don't matter. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, my Frying El Messi, MVP of Gelato, a.k.a. Zanio Bedingfield, now you gotta get some sticks, now you gotta get some sticks, a.k.a. Joe Hookah, Mad Flavors, nigga, I dare you to smart with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Barson with the precision. F a Swiss wristwatch. I'll replace your ocular vortex with the VGA monitor from 1995. Now you can see your Pinot as blurry as you wish. You're welcome, Desus.
Thanks.
I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your motherfucking bezels, nigga, because it's the Z, man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport, a.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the car down, a.k.a. East Tree, my Stevie B at KTU's Fest, talking about, I want to be the one your DD is sucking. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. from across the pond, mate. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, taking my rightful position as the doorman of the bodega. You know what I'm saying? Put it from 40, it's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Bang! I only had 11 points last night, but that's light. I'm still getting paid. If you see me at Target Smack thinking way too hard about copping some seasonal Frankenberry, respect my motherfucking agency, dog. Approach me like an earthside mammal. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll soak fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's high off Whole Foods raw honey and fabuloso right now, nigga. Talk about woo, 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 woo. Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, el fucking matatán, más suelto que la quijada de un tecato, más frío que el toto de un cuero en Alaska, el rey de Dykeman, el varón de Bergen. Dame luz que estamos oscuro. Si tú tienes miedo, cómprate un pitbull, mamá huevo. Dale. Episode 97, nigga, we here. Like the hooks.
Ding dong. Next stop, Dykeman. Next stop. Like,
yo, shut the Dykeman for having the only train station that you can like jump over. Can you still do that over there, bro? Jump over the fence to get and run across the tracks to get on the train for free?
No. No. If you do that, I'm sure, I don't even think NYPD's arresting you. They're going to trip you and just like throw you onto the tracks.
On the throw rail, like, yo, go ahead, nigga, fry up.
They're like, get out of here. What are you trying? 90s tricks? Nice try.
Nice try. Turn it to a fucking chicharron, you piece of shit.
Oh, man. First things first, Papa freaks all the honeys. No, we got some business off the rip.
Yes.
We announced the Bodega Boys Live Art Tour. Boom, 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 boom.
Wow,
Now's your chance to see us live in person.
Providence, Baltimore, Boston, Detroit, Chicago, Atlanta, Seattle.
That's right.
Yo.
You know, we're coming to all. You be sure to go to bodegasushi.com. Use links to all the shows. You dirtbags. There's still tickets available.
There is.
They're going like hotcakes. I don't know what that saying means.
It means that they're going like very quickly.
No, I mean, I know what that means, but what the fuck? Who the fuck buys hotcakes? When was the last time you were somewhere you were patting your pockets like, yo, I need a fucking hotcake right now?
I mean,
I know I need a hot bag.
Boo! We're protesting, Mero. Mothers Against Opioid Addiction do not find Michael Anthony and the Ballad of Michael Anthony hilarious.
Well, guess what? Art imitates life.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
It's only not funny to you if it's real, nigga. And it is real.
That's probably why it's not funny.
It's honest. Oh, well, you know what?
Wow, Mero's our own Erykah Badu, just problematic. On and on. And you got some nice things to say about Hitler?
Yeah.
You want to do that too?
You know what? He had great hair.
Wow.
He took great care of his hair.
Wow. I can't wait for them to cut just that part about the podcast. I'll be like, Hitler sympathizer Mero talks about his sartorial style and his hairdresser.
I'll be passed over like, yo, nah, man, but what I meant was
Boo.
like, nah,
Boo
look,
this man.
You don't understand, yo.
Someone throw a Drano at him.
No, just make sure the brisket tray stays over here, nigga. Fuck that.
Big piece of gefilte fish flies over your head. Yeah. You don't want those problems.
Yeah.
You get thrown out the gang. You're no longer in the chosen people. You get the paper. You get the email. The certified letter.
The certified Torah.
You're out of here. Certified Torah shit.
It's just mad long.
You got signed to it.
I gotta read it with the stick. Like, oh,
you gotta throw on your like glasses first. Like,
Yo, why is the Torah like an end user license agreement? Like, this shit is mad long.
I mean, they got a lot to say in this shit.
You just gotta agree at the bottom and shit.
You know what it was? Because originally when they first started the Torah, it was only 140 characters, and then later on they made it
expanded.
280. So
okay.
you know they had more space to work with, more adjectives. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They had to add all the details for the Hanukkah story. It was like, yo, it was mad code, like mad OD code, mad code in the Jew desert. But we had oil. You heard me. And also, we're gonna eat rye bread. Pastrami is really good. The end. Hey. Let me throw a song in there. Hanukkah, the festival of what rhymes with?
Damn, I should know the Hanukkah song. I'm terrible at it.
Boo this man.
Damn.
Boo this Jew.
No, I'm gonna try. Hello, man.
Get this fake Dominican scissor out of here. What is that?
Yo, all my Jews, hold me down.
You know what that sounds like? Do you remember that old video game Track and Field? And you play it, and they be like, here's the anthem from South Africa. You're like, what the fuck was that? I was like,
yo, damn, this thing reminded me of California Games, dog.
California.
You will respect Phantom Planet.
Whoa, Victor.
Yo, Victor's here to cape for all alternative acts, alternative rock bands.
Up next, Marcy Playground.
Wow. I feel sex and candy.
Yeah.
That's right. We're back on that wash shit. 2 weeks in a row. The 90s will never die.
No, never.
We're going to be those old guys that like go into a jukebox, go to a bar that has the internet jukebox, put on mad 90s shit. And lean up to a kid like, what do you know about this?
What do you know about this? Now that we have always been downtown. If you never down,
There was like looking around like, who the fuck is this? Bro, I have Migos coming up next. What is
fuck?
I'm like, you kids don't know good music.
You don't know good music.
You don't know good music.
Bad and bougie, more like just bad.
Fuck these kids. They don't. Oh, you're feeling pain from Drake? How about this? It's been a while. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You want a little stage?
With the stage.
Y'all don't know my. You don't know my angst.
Yeah.
You can use that when your pet died, your girlfriend broke up with you, you missed a shot, or even little shit like you left the key for your combination for your key lock at home, and you had to get the custodian to cut your lock off. Now you got to buy a new lock for your locker. Yeah. Everyone's like, why don't you just get a combination lock? And you're like, I'm a little dyslexic. I can't remember numbers.
I can't. It's been a while.
We got to reboot My So-Called Life.
Oh, my God.
Nah, maybe not. We'll leave it. They're rebooting everything. They're bringing back Murphy Brown, which...
Remember when Murphy Brown was was problematic because she was a single mom?
And it wasn't like she was a 15-year-old single mom.
She was like a
40-year-old news reporter. Like, she was good with the money. And then Dan Quayle. Dan motherfucking Quayle. Dan, I used to be the stupidest person in government ever, Quayle. I can't smell potato. I put an E at the... like, niggas was like, yo, this nigga put an E at the end of potato.
He's wild.
Get this nigga out the office.
He's wild.
Nowadays, now they got safety scissors and shit around the White House.
Come on. Nigga Trump is signing shit in crayon.
He's like, look.
Like the big crayons.
He's like, I want to make an announcement. I made Boom Boom.
I made Boom Boom in my party.
Naughty.
I'm a good boy.
It was like, very good.
Good job.
James McMaster is like, excellent. That's the most presidential Boom Boom I've ever seen.
Stephen Miller's like, it tastes amazing.
Also, why do we all have fond memories of Murphy Brown? We were all mad young. There was just nothing else on.
Yeah, my mom was like, go ahead, though. My mom thought I was watching like white people novellas and shit.
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
You can watch that.
It was shot in a weird format, so it seemed weird. You know what's wild? Remember it wasn't her boyfriend, but it was like her homeboy, Elvin the painter.
Yeah.
I remember that guy. He always had the overalls with one off, which is cool. That's the only way to wear overalls. Let's keep it funky.
Let's keep it
if you
real.
don't got one strapped down in the back, I don't know what you're doing.
It's like Ella Cool J with the one leg up.
Exactly, which he stole from Bike Messengers, BT Dub.
Yeah,
but you know what I'm saying? We let him cook on that.
Let him cook.
But the actor that played Elvin in real life murked his girlfriend.
What?
And the cops came and investigated it and said it was a suicide. So he was living chilling. He was good money. And then a couple years later, they came back like, we went back to the evidence, and apparently she couldn't have shot herself 2 times. So they went back, and they were about to charge him with homicide, and he took the wild hot bag and killed himself.
Imagine how fucking whack that is. Like, you get away with murder.
You beat a body?
You beat a body for like 3 years. You're like,
I'm out here.
You're in the club and shit with Casanova wearing chains and shit. Like,
DJ's like, yo, if you beat a body, put one hand up.
You know what I'm saying? You and OJ doing the cha-cha slide and shit. Like, killed a man quite like this before. Oh my damn, no motherfucking sing along.
I can't hear you.
Cause you're dead.
Damn, that's dark. But if you know you killed somebody, it's always gonna be there. No matter if you like the most hardest killer, it's always there.
You killed the nigga, bro.
And it might not even be a bad thing. It might be a good thing. You might be like a homicidal maniac, and now you just have extra personalities inside your head. Every time you kill someone, their ghost is inside you, and you're like, all right, I'm not alone.
Like, I killed a mouse like 2 years ago in a particularly brutal way, and I still feel bad about it sometimes. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. The shit was on a glue trap.
That's not about being a killer. That's about being wild buns.
Like,
this nigga killed a mouse. Like, this nigga on the foot in the base. This nigga in the kitchen at midnight singing band and shit.
Like, yo, damn. I should have thought better, man. My pops would have looked at me like, you motherfucking fucking maricon.
That's what they talking about.
By that, you can't say shit like that.
No, in that case, you can. Yo, let my father come in and catch me
mourning a mouse.
I remember there was a mouse in the kitchen or whatever, and my sister was like jumping on tables and shit, and I was like, he looked at me like, motherfucker, you better
go get that shit.
You better not jump on no table. You better go get your Timbs and handle that shit. And I was like, yeah. I was like, I'm not scared of no mouse. Stomped on that shit though.
Yeah, you got to.
No, it was on the glue trap, and it was like a matter of getting it out the house, and it was still squirming. And my sister was like, "Yo," she was like,
touch it.
And I was like, I got this. So
Fold
I
it
took
in half.
it. No, folded it in half. Took it, opened the front window of my house, and flung that shit like a frisbee into the street. And I was like, that was be good. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. And you just hear like the mad steamroller, like, and you just hear like the clap of it just wandering around. And I went and looked, that shit was flat. That shit was like instant.
Nigga went out like a G.
He went, oh, listen.
Like, fuck it, nigga, painless.
They should have glue traps for humans.
Oh, shit.
Damn. That'd be done. Like, I mean, I feel like Trump might just introduce new execution shit.
Of course.
Because they just brought back the XFL. Mm-hmm. I mean, you know.
The XFL, they're going to just change that into an execution league.
Actually, they brought it back. It's mad lame now. You got to stand for the flag, no politics. It's supposed to be family friendly. Fuck that. That's not what you want. I want to see niggas die.
Anytime you put an X in something, it's supposed to be like exciting.
Extreme!
Extreme!
That's what it's supposed to be for. It's not like extremely safe.
Yeah, like get out of here.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas can't even name no
nobody
jerseys
watches double X porno. It's either triple X and nothing B.
Yeah, fuck out of here.
One X is just what they put on jugs of whiskey and cartoons and shit. Niggas drink it and then their eyes turn to X. Like,
I'm saucy.
and they be like they be all drunk and kissing on Bugs Bunny.
I watched like one of those like I don't know if it's like Showtime or Cinemax. Like,
Showtime?
Like them like fake. Like,
The classy Pinot shit.
Yeah.
That shit is so frustrating.
So boring.
Because where the camera would cut away in real Pinot to go show the fucking, they just keep showing them like nuzzling and shit.
Nuzzling and shit. Like, bro, I'm not trying to just see a dude on the couch with like a head bobbing up and down. Like,
Yeah,
that's
it's
not
just like-
like implied toppy. Like, is whack.
You gotta think about like where you are at in life, where you can't go full hardcore Pinot, but you need a pinch of Pinot,
A little bit,
just a dab,
just a little dab.
You need a salt babe amount of Pinot in your life. Like that's like, I guess if you was a wild scumbag, you turned your life around, you became a wild conservative Christian, and you like married, you love your wife and shit, and then you're out of town one day on the road, and you have a couple too many Long Islands at the bar.
Like, oh, man.
You go home and you go in your hotel room, you order like some Skinamax.
Yeah.
Backslide.
Like, naughty nurses won. Oh, man.
You run one out, you feel so much guilt at the end of it. You check out early, you just go home and hug your wife, but not even the full hug. You just hug her at her waist.
Hug, like,
while you're on your knees, you're like, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I betrayed us.
Yo, I watched Jessica Drake fake hump a nigga for 10 minutes.
Oh, how could you? How could you? You gotta tell it to the preacher, your pastor and shit. Get in front of the congregation and confess your sins. I watched One Night in Paris.
Oh my God.
I spent $8 to watch Ray J smash Kim K's boring pre-surgery cheeks. It was terrible.
It was terrible, but
Boo, this man, boo.
But she did say that he was gonna make her pussy explode.
That was a disappointing Pinot.
That was so disappointing because the dialogue was whack. The
sex
Pinot
was
was whack. Yo, how did you say that? You're gonna make my pussy explode? Like, nigga, no.
There's certain things you shouldn't say during sex, and that's definitely up there.
That's definitely one of them.
Another one's like, I have a 10 a.m. meeting.
Yeah,
Like,
whoa, chill.
What am I, eye calendar?
Bruh.
Like, keep that to yourself, man.
Nah, I'm softer than overcooked linguine. Like, nah, you just fucked the whole shit up. Like,
She's like, Lobster Fest is coming back next week. You're like, whoa.
no, that shit make my dick wild. I'm like, really? I was like, word?
Can I get more biscuits over here?
Yo, let me get that Valpak envelope, nigga. Let's look for some coupons.
Yo, Valpak. Wow, you got that Valpak? Yeah. That's how you know you get a wash. You go from that loud pack to that Valpak. You at home like, yo, with that Valpak there, you call the connect. Like, yo, you got that, daddy?
You got that. I need $1 off Cold Stone.
Yo, I didn't realize coupon life was real life. But my mother used to take that shit serious. I remember she went back to the grocery store and got Aki's face like, excuse me. I bought the Sunday paper. Look, arts, leisure, comics. See something missing? See something missing? Where's my coupons? I was like, and he was on the man. He was like, they must have fell out.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man.
Yeah,
motherfucker.
She like mushed him and shit.
Yeah, you don't know frugality until your girl has gone to the counter and been like, yo, I want a rain check for this because it's on sale.
Waiting in line for a rain check. I did that once with my sister for a box of cereal. I was like, what is we really doing?
What are we doing right now?
I was like, how good is this box of cereal?
Like, yo,
we get a rain check for cereal, nigga?
50 cents off, nigga. You got 50 cents?
I'm like, yo, a rain check, that's it. You gotta have a certain amount of time. That's like for older people who go to the supermarket to pass the time while they're waiting for death.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Go to the supermarket, get a rain check, then go to McDonald's, get a black coffee and a what?
Filet of fish.
You know what it is. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm near to deth. You just want to have a good time because you're not here for a long time. You're here for a good time,
not a long time.
Oh, get rain checks, yo.
Yo. They get rain check on fucking the hands of death, nigga. Fuck that.
And that's too much. Like, even I think if you go to get a rain check at Target, they'll be like, what? You want what? They probably give it to you in a gift card. Shout out to Target in Mount Vernon for slowly switching over to all self-checkout. Y'all not low.
Are they doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
They got a lane. They got like the stanchions and the ribbons to lead you to the self-checkout shit.
Yo, but
then they don't give you no, because they used to like have traffic people to be like, yo,
go
register
this way,
8.
go that way.
Now they're just like,
handle your business.
Yo, you got products, they got registers, y'all figure that shit out.
Damn, Diddy got to do something about this.
Yo, and then listen, anything you like, if you buy some shit like some pickup purchase and you go get self checkout and that shit don't scan the first time, you just throw it into the side. What the fuck? I was buying one of those what was it like a scratchy? What do you call it? A loofah.
Yeah,
there you go.
Nigga said a scratchy,
scratchy thing.
Then you got
a shower scratchy thing. So I went and I was like trying to self check out it, and it was like, nah, it was like, what is that? What is that? And I was like trying to type it. I was like, falafel.
Nigga, egg a waffle.
I was like, shower scratchy thing. Make me smell good, sponge.
Whenever that happens, I just put the shit in the bag. Like, yo, fuck that, nigga. I've been trying to like scheme
unknown
on this shit.
item in bagging area. Yeah. Unknown item in bag. I'm like, oh, why you making it hot? Fuck up, Alexa.
Nigga. Turn the mute button on. Like, what's the mute button?
Unknown item in bagging area over here. Dominican man, green jacket. He's trying to steal me. He's trying to steal me.
It's like,
I don't respect that honor system shit at all. Be like, you niggas.
It's not an honor system. It's a crime if you steal shit. Nigga, this is not. We are not bartering. We're not going into Target with 2 live chickens. Like, yo, I'll give you this for a TV. This nigga coming in with a salmon he killed in the Jersey River. Like, yo, I'll trade you this for some antibiotics.
Kill the shit with my mouth.
Yo, it's in the honor system.
Yo, because it's like I've been at truck like those. You know when you go like traveling long distances, they got those rest stops and shit. Outside of New York, they're way different. Like it's just like yo, there's like a chute with burgers and shit like that, and you just take it, and then they expect you to walk like 40 feet to the register and then pay for it.
You talking like a real New Yorker right
like,
now.
Yo, like
you
nigga,
talking like a real.
Why wouldn't I just pick this shit up, turn around, and bounce? Like the door is right there,
nigga.
It's only crime if you get caught.
You was about to do that in the refueling station when we went to this Coachella.
Yeah, like I was like, bro, like I mean, this shit is just here for the taking, bro. Like,
you're gonna end up with a warrant
for
some stupid offense in some town we've been to once, and they're gonna bag you when we're on stage.
Me in Tempe, Arizona, getting arrested. They're like, you stole a wingding here once. I'm like, nigga, what the fuck is a wingding?
That's gonna like because you weren't there. It's gonna turn into like from a bench warrant to like something serious,
straight
like a
felony warrant. Like it's evading police for years.
They're gonna do the pullover, and you're gonna hear like the shotgun, like. Oh shit! This is pretty serious.
Oh shit! This shit is real now.
Angie's like, don't worry, nigga, I got you.
Niggas should pull up 2 double AKs and shit. Like,
Victor, take the wheel.
Take the wheel, my nigga. I got the 50 cal on the roof.
Back. Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh man. So we got the tour. What else we got going on? We got the tour is popping. We still got Desus and Mero.
You know
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Vice and nothing but illustrious guests. We told you. Season. Listen, we're at like 200 episodes as our boy. Jimmy Fallon told us.
Yeah, Jimmy Fallon. Yeah, we did.
You'll hear this on Monday. On Friday, we did the hat trick. You know, just a third appearance.
It's no big deal.
Old hat. You know, hugging security guards like, Happy New Year.
How you doing? Good to see you, buddy. Hey, how you doing? How's your mother? How's your father?
What a life. What a life. You too could live like Salvatore Ferragamo.
That's right. If you could make jokes like you was out of your mind, yo.
Hey, there you go. That's all it is. That's all that stands between you and me. You know what I'm saying? Imagine yourself locking yourself in a basement for 5 summers. Yeah. You were writing 5 jokes a day. I deserve to do these. No, I didn't do that.
Nah, the niggas didn't do that at all. I like myself in the basement and smoke weed.
5 blunts a day. I deserve to do these numbers. Just forgot everything.
I don't know if Fruity Loops made me a comedian, nigga, but apparently it did, because I was just in there smoking mad weed, making beats for fucking 12 hours a day.
What happened to your beats? You don't make no more beats?
I have a hard drive, fam, that has like 500 beats on it.
And the sad thing is, I'm pretty sure that hard drive has no kind of connector that works for modern computers anymore.
Nope, not at all. So it was a fucking Dell
that information is gone.
Gone forever. There's no way to retrieve it? You can't just
you could probably buy special cables or something, but who's to say? If you haven't turned that hard drive on in a while,
it might not be viable.
It might not even boot up. I have a hard drive, it was backups from 4 years ago. Doesn't even boot up anymore.
Doesn't even boot up? Damn.
A terabyte of information.
Damn.
Lost to the age, but I had a backup of a backup.
Damn.
I'm paranoid.
I'm paranoid.
Remember, backup
is that a
your
Black
backups.
Sabbath song?
Is that who?
Black Sabbath? Paranoid?
Paranoid? I don't know. That's isn't that Sabotage, BC Boys?
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about?
Spike joints? No, I was talking about Paranoid.
Paranoid?
Paranoid, Black Sabbath.
Black Sabbath. It is.
Listen to it.
Oh, look! Shout out to you.
Yeah.
This is, since episode 97, it's also 1997. Oasis "Be Here Now" became the fastest selling album in UK history.
That's why they're so gassed.
Yes.
Still.
Yes.
In 2018, they're like, yeah, fuck you, mate.
Mm-hmm.
I smell awful because I haven't showered in weeks and I haven't sold a record in fucking 10 years. But suck my dick from the back, mate.
But they still out here.
Yeah.
Did you see that video of that girl actually sucking dick from the back? It was on the timeline?
It was on the
Shout out to her.
Yeah, shout out to her. She was going in.
Listen, that's the kind of brand loyalty we like from you
know
people.
what I'm saying? Also,
I like that.
Not everybody can do that.
Her name is Miss Suction.
Of course.
Sucking dick from the back. Just in 145,000 views.
Can we see that? I mean, just the audio. I mean, y'all can't see it, but you can hear it. This shit probably sounds like a washing machine, I bet you. And she's eating the ass too? Or she's just sucking nigga dick wild crazy? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! That nigga gotta get disrespectful and just fart in her face real quick. Like,
So yeah, you know what I'm saying? That if you want some ideas for Valentine's Day,
there you go.
there you go.
Some roses and
Let them know you're really down to die for the hive.
Some roses and some reverse fellatio.
Roses is red, violets is blue. Suck shorty's dick from the back, whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Whatever we trying to do.
Timberland boots.
Wait.
Do what you boo. But that seems like that's not like an everyday thing though. You can't just be doing that. Like
Nah, that's
special. That's for birthdays and anniversaries.
That's like yoga shit, B.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta be doing
because if you got bad knees, you can't be because
bro, you can't sustain that if you got bad knees.
Shorty gets sucking your D from the back and then she hear your knee pop.
Oh, then you fall over.
You're like
She bite you like,
you're like hold on 1 second, ma, and you go get some icy hot and you come back and
shit is
pick up the
wild
room.
yeah.
And she's like, I'm not really in the mood no more. You smell like my grandfather. You smell like hospice. Oh,
Damn.
come over here. I'm like, oh, you know what? Then get that. Oh, I smell like hospice. Get the fuck out of here. I don't need this.
Fuck
And
out of
I go
here.
over the corner. I pee in my chamber pot.
Shout out to chamber pots, B.
Chamber pot. You know what?
take me
You
back.
laugh at chamber pots, but when you in the bush or you down in Jamaica, it's either the chamber pot or go out at 4 a.m. into the pitch darkness, or you see his teeth and eyes, little yellow glowing eyes, and you hear like the wild. Loud insects that you're just like, what the fuck is that?
I've never heard
That's
of
not a
insect.
cicada.
I never heard of
Is that a John cicada?
Yeah, I know.
She was like,
I don't want to wait.
Like, whoa, what was that?
Nigga just flies onto your face like, I'm gonna bite your ass.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna give you dengue fever. Like, damn, nigga, damn, why?
And then the if you live out there,
I thought this nigga was eating candy for a second. It's like, oh,
it's not candy, fat boy. Keep focused on the podcast.
Should known better.
Damn, this nigga Mero was not here today. If you were a child, I would send you home with a note.
I'm sick, bro.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. Martinez, we were very disappointed in Mero's behavior today. He disrupted to the class. All he wanted to do was crack jokes and disrupt the lesson plan.
Yo.
Please talk to him about this.
Yo.
Also, find in the book bag a pair of soiled pants. I had to give him a pair of pants from the lost and found. The kids are going to laugh at him calling poopy pants tomorrow. He might not want to come in.
Yo, I had wild diarrhea one time in like second grade, and I did shit on myself, and I was wild embarrassed, and I just got up and walked to the class, and the teacher was like, "What are you doing? What are you doing? Come back here, come back here!" And I was like, "Yo, I shit in my pants." I was like, I'm not coming back in the classroom, nigga. Shit in my pants. Are you crazy? Like, I went to the bathroom. I just stood there for mad long, like trying to like see like what I was gonna do. And then they sent the guidance counselor in because they thought I was having some type of mental break. I was like, no, I shit in my pants.
Oh my God.
Like, do you understand how embarrassing that is? Call my mom right now. Fuck out of here, bro. And my mom came and got me. She was like, were they racist? I was like, yeah, they're racist, man. That's why I shit in my pants.
Oh, Ming. Nah, my parents, because we had like, not we, but my parents had mad kids. You forget. You forget some kids.
Yeah.
Sometimes a kid has a half a day that the other kids don't have, and you forget. And no one's home to pick that kid up. So just picture me getting off the school bus, and I go to the house, and I'm like, hey, we're home.
Hey, we're home.
Hey, we're home. Yo.
Yeah.
So I'm just outside for like hours. I have to use the bathroom wild bad. And I don't know to I don't know to go to my neighbor's house like, yo, come raised West Indian. I was taught never defecate in anyone else's house to steal your soul.
You crazy?
Also, don't drink tea in other people's homes. It's another story for another day.
True.
So I ended up just digging a hole in the backyard and doing a wild shit.
You took a shit? You dug a hole first?
I dug a hole.
That's shout out to you.
I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
I shat and just left it in the corner.
I dug a hole and then I covered it. And then when I came home, like when my parents came, they was like, "Yo, you been out here all this time?" I was like, "Yeah, I had to shit in a hole in the back," and I got in trouble for that.
For being responsible.
For digging up. It was like my mother's garden. So I was like, "It's fertilizer."
It's fertilizer, nigga. What the fuck?
I should now looking back. I should have went to fucking the precinct. Turn y'all niggas in. How you forget a whole ass child? You know, a lot of times I'll be out playing, and I'll come back and the door be locked. And they just be gone for hours, and I'm like, yo,
I'm back.
Yo, I remember I had to go chill with this kid that lived up the block that my sister, I don't know if they used to just mess around or whatever, but I would just show up at his house and be like, yo,
what up?
They locked me out the house.
Chill?
And he was like, all right, you could just chill here. And his mother would be like, yo, where's your parents? I'm like, they don't really fuck with me like that.
Oh, God. Every time I would come home and then my parents would be home, it would just be one of my drunk uncles there. And I would just open the door. And one of them was a super, and the nigga used to, like, collect shit when like niggas would get evicted, like, and whatever. So this nigga showed up one day with a wild hefty bag full of just like used toys.
Yeah.
That were just like really used toys, bro. Like niggas threw these shits out. And I was just like, thank you for this Hacksaw Jim Duggan figurine that has no head.
They give you the Mr. Incredible was all stretched out and
just like broken and shit, like the toxic shit is leaking out. Like I'm like, oh, thank you.
Look at like those Elmer glue sticks that the rich kids had.
Yo,
never had that.
Never. Nigga, I had the Rose Art joint.
Yo. And people don't understand how trouble it is if you had wax school supplies and shit.
Fam.
They come to school with like the box of 6 crayons.
The Crasdale joints.
The shit isn't even crayon. They just straight wax.
What?
They just tearing the paper while you're trying to color. Everyone's like, yo, your crayons is poor.
You got poor nigga crayons.
Like,
yo, why your crayons
like, crayons is crayons. And the person next to you come with the bro, like 600 Crayola joints.
She got
the shit when you open it, it makes the Microsoft startup noise. Like the MacBook like,
like, oh shit, nigga.
She got light coming out of it like that box in Indiana Jones. You're like, yo.
I don't even. Nigga got burnt sienna.
They got the sharpener at the back.
Wow. That was why the fuck you sharpen the pencils?
Yeah,
that was just a flex. That was just a flex on poor people. Like, yo, I got crayons to waste.
My crayons ain't sharp enough, nigga.
That fact.
I got detailed fucking
Fam, you know how
macaroni
much I got money to waste? I'm gonna take the white crayon and I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna color over some purple shit. Ruin the white crayon. How you feel?
Stupid.
Look at that. You drew your. Oh, that's cute. You made yourself brown. Auburn, nigga.
I got peach.
Oh, nigga.
All these niggas using peach. I'm like, nigga, you ain't peach.
You ain't peach, nigga.
You ain't peach.
Remember one time that was flesh?
Yeah.
And then it was like, nah, we gotta make, leave that shit flesh. Expose that racism.
Yeah, nigga, keep it funky.
Damn, we gotta go back in time. We might, like, did Crayola have mad racist names and no one, they just changed it before everyone got woke?
Fam.
Hey, pass me nigger black. What are you drawing over there?
Fam. I did a fucking family portrait one time. I think I did my dad black and navy blue, like blend.
Wow.
And everybody everybody else like brown.
Wow. Definitely want to talk about that next season of Viceland's the Therapist.
I was like, no, Papi's more darker than everybody, so it's like we brown and he's more darker, so I gotta make him accurate.
Wow.
Made the nigga purple. Yo, he's like, who the fuck is that? He's like, I was like, it's Grimace. Like, I don't know. Sorry, don't hit me.
You know how you have like the drawings and shit and they put them on the fridge?
Yeah.
I got in a new fridge and my father was like, yo, make everyone clear. No magnets, nothing going on in this fridge. Yo, your little drawers keep it in a dope book. I was like, wow.
Damn, nigga.
I was like, damn, you're just going to cut the art budget like that? Like, damn.
That was your Gagosian, nigga. Like,
nigga cut out the studio. I was like, wow. I'm like, mad drawers. I was like, yo, it's me, the milkman, it's me, the dog, me, the cat. Yo, fam, I was promised a September release. I had the gallery for at least a month.
Come on, fam.
No, come on. I'm just learning how to color inside the lines. Let me cook.
It's young Desus Hurst over here.
Had to set up a pop-up shop in the bathroom. Like, yo, when someone's on the toilet, I just pop up like, yo, look at my painting.
Yo, look, what's up?
Look. It's watercolors.
It's a Bronx Quiat, nigga.
Bronx Quiat. Thank you for giving me the name of my newborn baby.
Yeah.
Bronx Quiat. Wow.
Yo, yeah, because Kanye really named this kid Chicago. Like, they just ran out of names.
Is that bad?
I mean, I guess not.
I feel like white people was the one like, yo, that's a really wild. Oh, black people too, but I
feel like naming out your kids after a city's played out now because white people did it way too much. Didn't fucking the nigga from Fall Out Boy name his kid Bronx Mowgli or some shit like that?
I mean, but it's different when you're rich.
Yeah,
it just is.
Yeah,
it just is. You can't just name your rich kid some regular shit like Michael.
Imagine? Imagine? He should have thrown niggas a curveball and named him like fucking Steve.
Steve West?
Steve West. He sounds like an Allstate agent. Hey, Steve West here. I'm here to check in your flood damage. What's going on?
Like Hella West. Hella West.
Yo,
Smith and West.
Smith and West? Oh.
No, it doesn't work at all.
No, Smith and West?
Doesn't work.
He'd be like, Smith and West, my son. He could
make it work. How many times could you do that in a song?
I mean, Kanye could do it as many times
Chicago
as
West. That's wild. Jay-Z and Kanye both have a lot of kids. If you think about it, like when Watch the Throne dropped, neither one of them had a kid.
Oh, shit. Now they both have 3.
They both got 3. Are they in competition?
I mean...
Are they in competition with you?
Niggas ain't beating me.
Ooh.
None of these niggas want it. Look,
Mero about to talk his heavy sperm talk.
Tell y'all niggas something.
Talk that fertile talk, my nigga.
Yo, word God. Yo, peep the mathematics. God, where's bond? Yo, y'all niggas with that light sperm, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas that be shooting them little baby puppy waters, my nigga. Y'all niggas ain't shooting that raw honey.
He got that vast deferens. It was good.
You know what I mean? I got various deferens. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got wild urethras and shit like that. You know what I mean? Every time I bust a nut, nigga, it's successful. You feel me? You know what I mean, nigga? Shit is fertilized, nigga. You dig? Y'all niggas over here slacking in your macking, being using surrogates and shit, nigga. I use the same uterus every motherfucking time, nigga.
You talking that talk?
Suck, nigga.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're playing that shit on like a big stadium, and all his little sperms are in there. Yeah. Get that egg. That shit looks like a Buffalo Bills tailgate. Niggas like jumping to the table and shit. Niggas like shotgun and beers. Like,
like each other on fire and shit.
Who's gonna impregnate that egg? Niggas slapping each other on the chest. Like,
He's drinking Mad Bud Light.
Niggas looking at the clock. It's almost time, bro. There's like one big Rob Gronkowski sperm. Like, bro.
Nice. Then I jerk off in the shower. Niggas is like, where are we going?
The egg's coming somewhere. Waterfalls. Oh my god. The epic saga of Mero sperms coming to Pixar.
Yo,
who's voicing the male sperm, the number one sperm in your?
Who would be the number?
What's the kid's name from Call Me by My Name? What's his name?
What's his name?
You're supposed to know this. You know Art, nigga.
He said, you know Art.
I'm burned out on film.
Oh, that's gonna be my auto message from now on for my responses.
For all scripts, I'm burned out on film.
I'm burned out on film. Please distribute it in a new medium that's easier on eyes. My new shit, I'm writing scripts, and I'm just gonna put them on iPads and just drop iPads to people and be like, keep it.
Just keep it.
It's yours.
It's a new one.
Oh shit, yo, my fault, Luca. Yo, Luca's the man. Shouts to Luca Guadagnino. You got snubbed for the Oscar, fam.
Luca Guadagnino?
Yeah.
Is he related to Vinny Guadagnino?
Yeah, it's from
Jersey Shore. He is?
That's his brother.
No. You give me the Desus like coy side eye, like I know that's a lie. Now I know when this thing's lying.
That's the director. Yo, sono l'amore. I am love with Tilda Swinton. Yo, Tilda held him down. Tilda held him down.
Boo! Get out of here with knowledge. Stop trying to make us cultured. Fuck that.
Yo, shut the
You got snubbed. The director of Killer Season. Yeah. Where's his EGOT?
Where's his? Duke the God needed that.
Also, don't forget, black people, we are boycotting Netflix.
Yes.
Because
Monique says
so. And I already finished Black Mirror. So, yeah.
I mean, I got a couple episodes left, so I'm going to wait to boycott. But, yeah.
That's a lot to ask. That's a big boycott. You got to do baby steps. Like, you could be like, yo, get this trending, like boycott, like maybe get a hashtag Netflix isn't fair.
Don't pay your bill for 2 months.
Something like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe if all black people got on the same Netflix plan and we just kept sharing the password among each other, maybe that'll work. But it's a full boycott.
You asking a lot.
Yeah, I mean, like, listen.
What am I supposed to do when I'm smacked on a Friday night?
Boycotts is big because, I mean, remember, Martin Luther King was like, yo, we off the buses, but that was a little different because it was like, y'all niggas, y'all riding back. Netflix ain't call me a nigga.
Netflix never called me a nigga ever.
So I gotta watch this, baby.
Netflix be giving niggas hope, bro, because we putting some shit on that I'm like, yo, we could definitely get on here.
If this is airing, shit. As if we don't actually have shit on Netflix already.
Come on. I don't want to brag.
Damn.
We are an amazing anime.
It's wild. We're in a weird place now where everything we shit on, we also are just like beholden to.
Yo, shout out to Netflix, yo. That office is crazy, man. That office is like walking into a 7-Eleven that is just like during a purge. And you could just take whatever you want and not pay for anything.
Damn, all you do is steal.
Yeah. No, I mean, but it's not stealing. It was free.
You're like a Dominican raccoon.
I'm a klepto, bro. Look.
That shit is.
Look.
Everywhere I go with him, I'm like, swipe or no swiping.
Yo, let me tell you something.
Swipe it, get okay.
It's swipe it, papi, no. Yo, it's part of graffiti culture because when you do graffiti, you're not supposed to pay for paint. That makes you buttons. So like you steal paint. So when you steal paint, it's like, yo, paint is kind of hard to steal. You know what I'm saying? Especially not because it's behind cages.
This nigga just like
You know what I'm saying? But
this
then
nigga
it's like,
just like stealing.
I like stealing, bro.
This nigga, I'm not gonna name a place where you used to routinely steal food for lunch.
Yeah.
A place we were employed at.
Yeah.
That was ridiculous.
It was fun though.
Oh.
I used to walk right past that shit like, nigga.
Yeah.
Get all these wigs, nigga.
Put all our contract at risk. Because this nigga want to steal $8 worth of fucking chicken tenders. This nigga really had the president of the network like put back this bottle of hot sauce you stole from the cafeteria. How did it get to that point?
I don't know, but I kept that shit.
As you turn that beautiful office into the closest thing to Rikers Times Square has ever seen.
It's covered the walls of graffiti. Niggas
Your man Mero had 4 lives worth of clothing just piled up on the corner like some sort of fire hazard and a bottle of the hot sauce, not even using it.
And the Xbox 360, holla.
We was in there. Was it? No, it was a PlayStation.
It was both.
Oh yeah,
niggas out there.
What was that? Daytop?
Yeah,
like niggas just chilling.
Shit was like an adult.
Niggas like, yo, get them niggas clean. We're gonna find out in a couple years. Like Victor paid for that whole thing just to like keep us safe. He's like, yo, these niggas gonna end up in jail. Just pay for them to just be in a safe room.
Please. Until
you know that was wild. Like you actually show up. We had to be there at a certain time. We couldn't leave until a certain time.
Yeah, bro. And we was in there playing Gears of War 2.
We was killing it though. In the horde mode?
Niggas up to level 50 horde mode, nigga. Do that.
Remember we didn't want to leave because we was like, yo, the next wave. Let's go.
Wave, bro, chill. It's 6 o'clock. We got to bounce. Nah, chill. We working overtime.
Coming though. Oh, good time. Memories don't live like people do.
They always remember you.
Rest in peace, the Toys R Us in Times Square. The Foot Locker in Times Square.
Foot Locker, damn. Niggas going dropping like flies.
So I think they said about Walmart there or something.
See, these are Mero leaving, so does Prosperity.
You know what I'm saying? It's just what it is, baby.
It's a fact.
It's the bodega effect.
Elmo out there looking mad sad now when he takes his head off all the time. Like, I don't care if you see my real face.
I was a doctor in El Salvador.
I'm Juan Manteña, a Salvadorian surgeon.
I am proud.
Man.
I am proud of Salvadorian.
I know fucking Elmo. Respect me. I say lies.
There was like, you done? You done? Put your fucking head back on.
Put your head on, asshole.
Sal, whatever your name is.
Whatever the fuck your name is. Put your head on.
Put your head back on or you don't get your MetroCard back.
You're scaring the kids, you piece of shit. I say children in my whole life. Shut the fuck up and put your head back on, you dick. Enjoy the bed bugs back in your apartment in Queens.
Wow. That's not funny.
It's not.
Because it's true. Life imitates art.
Yo, all the niggas live in the same crib in Jackson Heights.
I mean, it's chain migration and we must stop it. Like, you gotta be really rich to be like, oh, these niggas is doing chain migration. It's called having a family.
It's literally called having
Yo, his wife is not coming to work. She's part of that chain migration shit.
Chain migration shit.
Oh, she's pregnant? Yeah. Let me ask you something. If it was 2 of them today, next year it's gonna be 3 of them. When does it stop? 4 of them?
Could be 4.
5 of them?
Could be 5.
6 of them? I
will ride them.
Chain migration. And see, they say that to throw people off because in your head, if like you're an old confused Fox News viewer, you're like, chain migration, is that like the blockchain with Bitcoin?
Yep, bro.
Well, I heard that's a bad thing.
That's the Fox trick. It's like they just throw some weird spin term on shit to confuse old white people, and the white people are like, yeah, chain migration is awful for this country. It's just they come here, they have anchor babies. You know, the babies stay here. They take up all our resources. They go to college. They become successful. They help me over the phone to do my... Oh, wait. Oh, they're actually helpful. Okay, never mind. But that's how it goes. They remain racist pieces of garbage until their last breath. Like Michael Anthony.
Wow. Don't bring him back. Don't bring him back. Don't bring him back.
What is this? I keep touching this thing. Oh, okay. It's a really
Why you just look at you? You want to steal? Just want to touch everything.
Bro, I've been stealing so long.
If you were like a little kid I was watching, I was just slapping your hands all the time. Like,
bruh. If I would have
touching, no toques nada.
Listen, if I would have been in China with LeVar and them, nigga,
You would have stole. It would have been your idea. You've been like big baller brand, never stole.
Yeah, never stole.
You steal now.
Never lost, nigga. Let's go, baby. Come on.
I bet you know what? Not for nothing. The youthful indiscretions. I bet you it was fun as shit to shoplift.
Hell yeah,
Shoplift
bro.
some sunglasses in China,
Bro.
Cause when you overseas, you already think like I'm American. They can't do shit.
Shit to me, nigga. Fuck out of here. You know how much shit I stole in DR?
Oh man, I remember.
La Sirena?
In England, I was at because my family, instead of taking planes, like normal people take like the coach buses between towns, which is mad boring. But we got to like one bus terminal and I had the ODP. And I went to go, they was like, yo, you got to pay like a couple of pence or some shit or put in a pound or some shit.
To take a piss?
To pee. And I was like.
Was it a public restroom?
I was like, excuse me? Yeah.
We got to pay for this?
Yeah.
Man, get the
And
fuck
I was
out
like,
of
what? And it was just like a turnstile. And I just hopped over it. Everyone was like, oh. And I went in there, peed, and I came out, and they was like, you got to pay. And I was like, I got it.
Oh, got it.
And I walked out, and I went on I went and waited on the bus, but the bus ain't pulled off for like 20 minutes. And I was like, I ain't definitely getting arrested.
Oh, shit.
I just see people talking on the walkie-talkie, someone points at like the bus, and I'm just there like, my country, 'tis the sweet land of liberty,
where I can pee for free.
by the rocket's red glare. Don't tread on me, bro. As I try to carry out, like, don't tread on me. Don't tread on me.
You red coats.
Call the embassy. As an American, I know I could call the embassy, but how fast does that work? There's like, do you call? They're like, hell, you reached the American embassy.
Yeah, no.
If niggas kidnapped you, press 1.
Right.
Number 2, if you got the mad Montezuma revenge, press 2.
Yeah.
If this is Benghazi, please hang up.
Damn. Never forget Benghazi.
No, never
Hillary
forget.
died. Hillary lied. Americans died. Yeah.
I always see the pictures of like some bro ass like fake Marine nigga like holding up like it's the same photo with like Hillary with like the names of the dudes. I'm like, bro, it's like 4 niggas, bro. Come on.
Yeah,
four niggas died on my block last week.
Exactly.
Nigga. Like, come on, like,
Exactly.
Bro, fuck out of here.
Also, like, is it like what? How exactly was that supposed to work? Was it supposed to go Hillary? Hillary was like, "Oh no, yo, my nigga, I'm sending an Uber right now."
My bad. Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sending an Uber with the F50 gun on the back.
Yo, we're gonna resuscitate these niggas, B. Come on, man. That's like being a cop and being like, "Yo, I'm not gonna get run over in Times Square by a Dominican." Like, that's hazards the job, my guy.
Talking spicy.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Arfie Santos. You know what I'm saying?
Spicy.
D with Clinton alum. I don't even know that.
Really? You gotta add him to the Wikipedia page. That's high praise in the Bronx. You add it to the Wikipedia page, like, look, nigga,
I'm a notable alumni.
Notable residents. Okay. You like Wikipedia because Wikipedia is gospel.
You know what I'm saying?
That's when shit start coming up on the top Google results and shit.
Nigga.
If you don't got a Wikipedia page, dog,
You ain't
did
popping.
you really happen?
Did you?
Did you really happen? I don't know.
Oh man, I don't even want to say his name.
I know what you was about to say. He does. He does.
He does.
Don't. You know, bring that. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the lakes and the rivers. All right, I didn't ask for you guys to sing along to that.
I'm not.
It was a trio.
It was a trio.
I mean, that's all
Was it a trio though? It was 2 people singing and a rapper. Like,
Left Eye was like, Left Eye was the one that would be like, with the like the wild verse.
Watch it. You can't slander Left Eye.
Oh yeah.
History has changed it. That you at one time you could have been like Left Eye was the most annoying part of TLC. You can't dare say that nowadays.
Oh yeah, because
She died.
Oh yeah.
When you die, people embrace you. Unless you're like a white rapper. That's just like, nah.
Dead rappers get better promotion.
That's
James said
true.
that.
That's true. Who was a white rapper that died and no one respects?
Snow.
Snow's alive. The fuck? My cousin's alive.
Bubba Sparks.
Bubba Sparks is alive. He just lost mad weight.
You said white rapper that died?
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. Has no white rapper ever died?
I was about to say, you might be onto something, Desus.
Think about it.
Yeah.
It's the way they figured out Mattress Firm is a money laundering scheme. White rappers never die. No white rapper has ever died. Think about it.
MC Serge is still out here.
Oh, wait. Didn't one of the Beastie Boys died?
Oh, yeah. Adam Yauch, rest in
Okay,
peace.
damn. All right.
Oh, yeah,
Damn. Rest in peace. Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's rap now?
Wow. Listen, this show,
Spicy.
you guys are watching this show unravel.
Spicy.
Wow.
Nah, shout to O-Scope.
Wow.
That nigga's still bagging out here.
See? This is what happened. Mike Francesa retired and niggas don't know how to act around microphones. That's he used to keep you monkeys in check first time, long time. Turn his mic off. Right? I don't know who this Victor guy is, but he's gonna dare say Beastie Boys is a rap. I can't stand it. I gotta stand it. Does he know about intergalactic,
Intergalactic planetary.
Give me another Diet Coke.
Intergalactic. Damn, that shit was corny as fuck.
You know what?
In retrospect.
There was a point in time where that's the only song you would hear in New York City if you were like on Broadway going from store to store. That's like, that Beastie Boys album was playing heavy, and like Canal Jeans.
Oh my God.
Yellow Rat Bastards.
Yo. Shout out to Canal Jeans.
Ten Trails.
Shout out to Canal Jeans.
EMS don't even exist no
Yeah,
more.
they
I mean, they do, but not the storefront. I'd go in there, I'd be like, I am actually buying a tent to go on the top of Mount Everest.
Yes, but in the meanwhile, while you go look for that, I'm going to steal 4 North Face jackets.
Yes, please turn that way. Do you have the canoe in size canoe large? Oh, in the back? Okay, I'll just be out here waiting.
Putting on 10 pairs of
They
spider
come back, I'm kidding from my arms out. I'm like, you know what? Actually, I have that canoe already. I'm going to leave. Could you turn me around? Because I can't move of my own volition now. Just shoplifting.
Shout out to Canal Jeans. I've done the statute of limitations on the shit definitely has passed because I went in there one time and my girlfriend at the time had a Cosmo magazine that had like the purse of the month, and it was a diesel purse.
Yeah.
Canal Jeans had that diesel purse, and they had like 10 of them on a rack. And I went in there with little wire cutters, nigga, and I cut all the sensors off all them shits, and I walked out with like 10 of them shits on my arm and just walked right out that bitch. Like, no.
Wow. I hope
not a
the
care in the
statute of
world.
limitations.
I mean, Canal Jeans closed now.
I mean, but if somebody, like, if they went bankrupt and someone bought the debt that they had.
Oh, they're going to come for me? They're going to come for me for 5 purses?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
You're welcome, you bitch.
I didn't shop. I actually bought this girl like a really nice pair of boots. Really expensive, not from Canal Jeans, but some store around there. And I gave it to her, and she wore them once.
That used to be the spot, bro.
I mean, Canal Jeans?
Yeah, Canal Jeans, Atrium, or like that.
Canal Jeans used to be the spot to go if you wanted to buy like jeans with flames on the bottom of them.
Yeah.
Or like some fucking, like some Vans.
Some cool, you know what I mean?
Skechers,
bro.
Some fucking Junko jeans.
Yo,
you know
dude.
what I'm saying? Because listen, that's how you got women in the early 2000s, all right? The bigger the cuffs on the bottom of your pants. You know what I'm saying?
You have the Maurice Malone joints with the metal cuff on the bottom.
If you had jeans that you could put on and you already had boots on and it was not a problem, that's when they pum pums got wet.
If you had to tie your jeans into your laces,
Yo, shout out to all my guys out there that got the long jeans that go on the back of your sneakers and you're stepping on them, and now it's ripped.
Shit's
and now it's like
all
I'm afraid. And it got a little wet in the rain, but you don't care.
You don't care.
You're still wearing it.
Shit just look like stirrups.
Just nasty. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out my niggas wearing the sexy brunch boots, the Durangos.
Fam. Oh my
yeah.
God.
You know what I'm saying? A nice Oxford boot.
Fam.
Yeah.
I remember very vividly borrowing my cousin's pairs of Durangos and his leather jacket to go to Jimmy's tea night one night. Nigga, I thought I was doing it, nigga.
Wow.
I walked in there with the leather with the Durangos and shit. Like, niggas like, yo,
I went,
money.
Let me take y'all back. I went to Star Foods on 2nd and 2nd. Wow. In Durangos. A guy in a wheelchair ran over my foot and it hurt the rest of the night. I was tight. Your MCM. Your MCM had on boots that had poor traction. It couldn't run for the train because he didn't want to slip on the platform.
No. Especially on all that vomit from all the fucking NYU niggas.
Oh, man.
Yo. Fucking shout out to Gonzalez and Gonzalez. Like I was in there dancing wild.
You said Gonzalez and listen, we went from wash bands to just wash restaurants. That is just Gonzalez is like, hey, do you not know anything about New York? Do you not want actual Spanish food? Or do you just want to get fucking drunk as shit with your coworkers? We've come to the right spot.
Let's go to G&G's, bro.
What's the name of the one? Oh, Senor Frog. Remember we went there? We went there at Times Square. They got first of all, it's in a basement.
Fam.
There's no windows. There's no clocks. They got a stage that anyone could get on.
Anybody.
And you know what? It's like the shy person at your job just has a couple too many shots.
Remember homie that went up there and did the entire Baby Got Back? I was like, my man has said 4 words this entire tenure that we've been here, and your man went up there.
Dude, Baby Got Back, take his shirt off, like slapping his stomach like a butt. I was like, wow.
Niggas doing a worm across the stage. I was like, this nigga here.
He's like, wow, you learn a lot about your coworkers at karaoke and when the drinks are cheap.
First of all, Senior Frogs doesn't work in New York because the whole atmosphere of that shit is like tropical vibes. Like,
and then you sit there with your man, it's your fucking mermaid.
Well, like, yo, it's wild brick, yo.
You got a coat check? It's how much? $2.
Damn.
Y'all wallet.
Y'all niggas got any
You
hot
gotta look like the
margaritas?
Queen of England? I'm $2 for a coat check. I feel bad now because I remember in my past scumbag days, I throw in a fit at coat check because they wanted to charge for 2 items. It was like $4.
Yeah. Now you just
No, fuck that. It's a principality.
Yeah.
After going to clubs and working at a club, I know coat check is a rip, even though it does stop a lot of fights because what happens is niggas start throwing their coats all in one pile. So then you see someone going for a coat, it's dark, someone picks up the wrong coat.
Like you
trying to steal my coat. Yeah. Now you're trying to explain. It's either what happens is you see someone trying to pick up your coat, you're either like, yo, that's my coat. Either they're like, yo, my bad, or they don't hear you, and they're like, yo, fuck you. And you can't hear it in the club, so it's up to you and how drunk you are to read their lips.
Yeah, facts.
Because they might be like, yo, my fault, yo, whatever. And you're like, yo, fuck you, pussy, do something about it. You're like, oh shit.
No.
They just duff a nigga for no reason. You're like, yo. But you wobbly, so you miss and punching some girl. Yeah. Now you get thrown out the club without your coat. Now you cold.
Shorty's punching you. She got no shoes on.
Mm-hmm. Her friend is hitting you with her shoe because her feet. She hitting you with the heel. You getting all scuffed up. Now you got to ride the train home with no coat. It's cold.
It's a shame.
Some teenagers, come on, they roast your ass. He cold. I know he cold. Look at his teeth chattering. You cold. Chili Willy. That's what you get. Should have paid for the coat check. I'm like, fuck. You like, how come my night get any worse? And the conductor's like, last stop. Because of weaker construction, you have to use a bus. The bus is taking you from Canal Street to 125th Street. It's going to make all local bus stops. Please come to the front of a bus for a transfer.
Please come to the front. Please throw up out the window.
They just give you a transfer. You look at it like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? And you gotta protect that transfer with your life for the whole ride. Because you get to the next subway. You get to the subway, and it's like, the subway's clearly closed because of weaker construction. Yeah. And you're trying to get in there like, where's your transfer? You're like, oh, you just see me get on. You can't get on without a transfer. You just see me get on. Excuse me, step to the left. You cannot get on the bus without a transfer.
You're holding up the line, sir. Sir, please step to your left, sir.
No.
Sir.
They did that once at 149th Street because my shuttle bus had nobody gave us transfers. And I had to be a New York hero. I had to do what had to be done. I hopped the turnstile and I went and I opened the door and everyone from the bus just came through and the lady was like, yo, what are you doing? Y'all all can't go through there. It's like 38 people, Mom. What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
I did the math. I was like, they can't all give us summonses.
Yeah, that's true.
I was like, all right. Everyone was like, thank you. He's a good boy. Oh, thank you.
Papi, thank you
They honored me the next day at the Knicks game. They brought me up before the game. I was like, a true New Yorker. He opened the gate for other New Yorkers. They had the Oregon like, dun, 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 dun. I was like waving to people. John Starks was behind me. I was like, yeah. To recognize his achievements, we're giving him $25 to spend at the Knicks store.
Hey.
Well, what am I going to do with?
You go to Knicks store, buy one sock.
I'm like, can I get this Horace Grant sock?
Thank you. Thanks.
The Horace Grant was a Knick, right? Didn't he was around for a while. Yeah, he played for the Knicks for No. Yes, no. No.
Chicago.
No, Bulls, Magic, Supersonic. Lakers, Magic, Lakers. Okay, all right, okay. 4-time NBA champion. Shout out to him. Pride of Augusta, Georgia. There you go.
Oh shit. I always confuse him with his brother Harvey Grant.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The less illustrious one. But was he less illustrious? I don't know.
One is a 4-time NBA champion. All right. Do you want to replay the conversation they have every Thanksgiving dinner? He's like, yo, can you pass the potato salad? And you just hear his rings on the table like. Oh, I'm sorry. That's my Jew.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Bad. Oh, we passing the salad clockwise. You know, winners first.
Yeah. Give me my shit, nigga. I get the croutons. Fuck out of here.
Damn. Is that how you are at Thanksgiving?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
You crazy, bro? Walk in there like, nigga, I'm on TV. I'm in line first, bro. Like, I don't care what line y'all set up. Like, I'll
be the wild hater. I'll be like, low key, like, Viceland is mad high up on the channel, so I don't really count on shit.
Well, listen, there's 2 TVs going. This one's got football, and this one's got me. So
I'm just saying, like, all your shit is geo-blocked to Canada, so you gotta watch it on YouTube. So how popping are you really?
That's not young nigga shit. I'm just like,
I mean, Twitch niggas even, chat niggas even checking for you. Scorpion gang.
That's when I just put like $100 bill on each of my fingers and be like, pass the fuck down, nigga. Keep that 500.
Yo, one of my cousins tried to. He was like, "This is where you live." I was like, okay. First of all,
excuse me.
First of all, Okay, I'm gonna need you to watch your tone, little girl. 'Cause I don't know who you think you're talking to.
Like, what the fuck you thought? Nigga, we have retractable roofs and
I had to
Calabasas?
accidentally let my Variety top upcoming comedian trophy fall on her head. She was off the cuss, so I just carried out. I was like, sorry, my little house,
Oh, yeah.
all this stuff.
Sorry. So, awards are heavy usually when they're real.
Nah, I'm kidding. I killed her and cut her up, and now she's in my sneaker room.
Oh, nice.
She's just inside my Air Maxes and shit. You guys see that scene from like fucking not forensic file, from like X-Files, and like the FBI agent has the little pen just looking through all the sneakers in the dark. Jordan 7s, Jordan 8s. Fingers?
7, 8.
What does he mean fingers? Open this, like really fingers. Yeah. Silence of the Lambs, Sneakerhead Edition. Yeah. I just got some girl locked in like a hole and I keep throwing out crep protector shit. I'm like, yo, clean my sneakers.
It puts the crep protector in the basket.
Or I guess the hose again. Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna track me on like a very exclusive. No, they're tracking a killer and they keep coming to me and asking me like details about sneakers and shit. Well, Clarice. Clearly he was wearing the Claw 4s.
Hello, Clarice. Shout out to Anthony Hopkins. Is he doing anything now?
Grab and choke.
Yo, is he one of those guys?
You know what? He probably isn't, but I don't know. Nowadays, anytime you name a male actor, you have to say he's dead or grabbing choke. It's either or, yeah, at this point.
Damn.
Anthony Hopkins, he looks Sir Philip Anthony Tony Hopkins.
God damn.
Okay. Not to be confused with
no
allegations. Not to be confused with Michael Anthony.
The only thing I'm grabbing is my works, bro.
He's still alive. Shout out to him. Still alive. He seems unproblematic. He's Welsh. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, sure. Shout out to Wales.
Shout out to Wales. Cross the pond there.
What is Wales?
Wales.
Is it an island?
No, it's like the really big animal, and then it goes through the water and it comes out the thing.
I loved his first album, Ambition.
Hey, wow. Welcome to the Corny Boys. This is when someone drives up to, they're gonna be like, listen, you guys, we love this stuff, but all this stuff, all the cursing, suck my dick from the back, all the Bronx, I gotta get rid of it. Clean it up, make it family friendly.
Yeah, then we're gonna turn it into
we
the Corny Boys.
We give you guys a Vegas residency. Just gotta make it family friendly.
Oh,
if they're just like, yo, if the people who make Veggie Tales came up, it was like, yo, Victor, can the boys work clean? Can they just do Christian comedy?
10 million a piece.
Ooh. Yeah.
What?
Oof.
Bro, Joe makes that in a weekend.
Yo, nigga, I'll go to the bodega right now and buy all the Laffy Taffies, nigga, and just be reading the jokes on the mic and shit like, why did the chicken cross the road?
Because there's a Popeyes over there.
Yaggity schmaggity, give me my money.
You know what? You could just get your kids to write jokes because kids' jokes don't be funny. They make no sense, but at the same time, you'd be like, okay.
Yeah.
You'd be like, what did the gorilla wear to the store?
Poopy on his head.
You're like, what the fuck?
Like, nigga.
And all the kids are laughing. But then you make the same joke. You're like, what did a gorilla make? Poopy on his head. You're like, it's not funny, Dad.
It's not funny, Dad. You fucking cornball.
I know, because when I did cracking jokes on WhatsApp with my secret family, like, they don't be responsive. When are you coming to see your kids? I'm like, I look at those new sneakers I purchased. Like, why you never congratulate me on that?
The worst thing I ever did was tell my kids that I do jokes for a living, and now the niggas want to do jokes. Now my kids are taking joke books at the library. I'm like, nah, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. Don't do it. Don't start that way. Don't do UCB. Just make fun of each other like me and your uncle and his auntie used to do.
I mean,
just roast each other.
To be fair, the chance of the comedy gene is going from generation to generation. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna just be honest with you. Your kids are not gonna be funny.
I mean, I don't want them to be funny. I want them to do something else.
No, they're not gonna have the struggle. Without the struggle, they're not gonna have the background experience to be funny. Like, they're just gonna be like little rich assholes.
Yeah, I can't. That's what I'm hoping for. But like little rich.
Their struggle is gonna be like, yeah. Remember when Dad had the TV and only had 3 HDMI conductors?
Remember it had fucking 2 USB ports?
They're gonna be singing like a fucking Ghostface and Mary J. Blige, like, all that I had was you. Remember when Dad only had 1 key for the Tesla and all that I had was
Remember we didn't even have Apple TV?
Wow. On my sunny days, the sprinkler app wouldn't work. I had to use the hose. I felt like a jerk.
Yo, I really did feel like a jerk. Yo, honestly, I get a lot of flack for that, but yo, standing out there watering those flower beds for 20 minutes a day, my nigga was the worst in the world.
Okay, there's a compromise. I'm gonna blow your mind right now.
And those sprinkler things didn't work. I
There
bought
are
like the regular
sprinklers that you don't need apps for. Regular fucking manual sprinklers that work just fine.
I bought one, and then it was just like watering. It was like going over into the neighbor's yard, and the neighbors were giving me dirty looks and shit. And I was like, I adjusted it to like just go down.
I love
but then it would,
how
like, beat
Mero
up
was
the
acting in
flowers
2018. We have not perfected sprinkler technology. It's just math.
It's too many angles. Like I'm doing the Pythagorean theorem to figure out how to not like water my neighbor's mums and shit. Like, nah. I was just like, yo, you know what, nigga, just give me that.
As my father once said, he said the highlight of the day is watering his lawn. Because he would just stand out there, no shirt, because, you know, he had to, we live on a very busy street, and as cars passing by, he got no shirt. He's like, what are you looking at?
What? Huh?
Just out there, just standing there, just spraying. I don't know what he's thinking about, but now thinking back, he probably was just thinking about how his life is a mess. But
that's what it is. It gives you too much. It's the idle time, bro.
Is that what it is? You don't want that idle time?
Yeah, no, you just lower your thoughts.
I like to get a little smizzy. You get smizz.
That's what I tried it.
You get smizz, and you think about it like this, like, yo, I'm saving all these, your welcome grass.
Yo.
Without this water, you guys would die. I am benevolent. I am your creator.
I did that, and then I felt bad because like when I would spray the flower beds, like all the bugs would just like scatter, and I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, yo.
You have to use a gentle mist. There's different settings.
I know, nigga. I was using I would literally was using the flower bed setting, and it was just like a gentle.
We're never gonna get this HGTV show.
Property niggas.
We're standing back to back, like, yo, for this remodeling, they want some bitch ass flowers in the front, so we're gonna give them a flower box.
You know what I mean? Lit, nigga. Yo, they didn't ask, but we put a pitbull kettle in the back too.
They show us doing a rehab, but this shit is just like a fucking Rough Riders video. I got no shirt. It's like, X gon' give it to you. I'm just,
They would just smash the cinder blocks in the kitchen like for no reason.
It's in black and white and Matt Grady. It looks like that fucking Good Vibrations video, but it's just like our overalls. Our overalls are the only thing in color. They'll give you good vibrations. They'll make me feel sensation. Work it.
Yeah.
They're like, wait, are they doing synchronized dance? Are they?
Bruh, I had as a child listening to that, I was like, and I found out these niggas was white. I was like, what?
Who? Oh,
Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. I was like, you are white.
Marky Mark, yes.
But Shorty singing that was not white.
No, that was Crystal. Oh, who was it? That was Crystal.
Crystal. Damn.
Yes, Crystal sung the hook on Good Vibrations. I need to see this on Twitter. This is the factoid that they're gonna remove. Yeah. Desus said, "Oh, black women look alike." Yeah. Therefore, he thinks Crystal sung
the hook on Good Vibrations.
Come just end the podcast there.
With Mark Wahlberg
and the Funky Bunch. The next time I see her, I'll be like, "You have a gold plaque for that? Wow,
incredible!
I loved it. No, that was wow. Who sung that?
Damn, was she uncredited?
Oh, Loetta Holiday.
Oh, shout out to her.
Yes,
that sounds like a much more appropriate name for
someone singing it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
She sounded very Loretta.
The guy rapping was MC Spice. No, it was written by MC Spice.
Oh wow,
Mark Wahlberg.
God damn,
Mark Wahlberg. They have him listed as rapper. Shout out to Mark Wahlberg.
Damn, that shit kind of slap. Can you throw it out for a second?
No, we can't because you know why? When he was 16, he kicked a Vietnamese man.
Oh, that's right.
While calling him Vietnam fucking shit. Instead, sucker punched him in the eye. And yes.
Damn.
Investigators also noted that Wahlberg made numerous unsolicited racial statements about gooks and slant-eyed gooks.
Wow.
He was charged with attempted murder and pled guilty to assault and was sentenced to 2 years in Suffolk County, Deer Island House of Correction, the roughest prison in Boston, bro.
Suffolk.
No,
damn, I thought it was Long Island.
He only served 45 days on his sentence, though. But the man is permanently blind in one eye.
In one eye? See?
Mm-hmm. He said, but you know what? In 2006, you know what he said, basically?
What?
God's working on all of us.
Wow. You got to pay that nigga, bro. You got to pay him forever. You got to send him $1 million a year for the rest of his life because you ruined his eyeball.
But he said he was like in a gang and, you know what I'm saying? He got a full and unconditional pardon.
Hold up, the Vietnamese who was in a gang or Marky Mark was in a gang?
Mark was in a gang, yeah. But then he was also attacked some African-American children, and they spoke out against the part of the 25th. Marky Mark is out here.
Damn.
Damn.
That nigga
know what the thing about, everyone has dirt in their background, and, everyone's allowed to grow and change as a person. But I think the thing that breaks my heart the most about knowing that Mark Wahlberg is a racist and was involved in racial crimes in the past was how could someone like Crystal work with him on this song?
I don't understand. I don't understand. You think you know people.
You think you know people.
You think you know people. I mean...
Kid Fury, talk to your partner.
Yeah, please. I mean, we stand behind our principles. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, you would see me
You're
working
not going to
with...
just throw it all away for a platinum plaque.
No way.
Ugh.
We're not just going to sing a hook on a Richard Spencer song just to go platinum.
Whoa, it just slaps.
I mean, the shit goes hard. Yeah, it depends.
Boom, boom. Jews will not replace us.
Jews will not replace us. Jews will not replace us.
Jews will not replace us.
Metro Boomin wants some more, nigga.
Beautiful morning.
God
Coming out
damn.
Pepe Records. Are you tired of Jews being all up in the picture, all up in the video?
Dreidlin. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga said Dreidlin. Which is also the name of my new album.
Dreidlin.
Listen. The Jamaican Jew, Dreidlin.
Yo.
Dreidlin. This man women like spinning their bottoms real fast. Like,
The asses are made out of clay.
yeah. How touching? That's a great video. It's me. It's like me, you, Victor, Elephant Man.
Yeah.
We're on a tour bus, and it breaks down in front of what? A bar mitzvah.
What? Yo,
I think that's
Ellie
basically
Howard.
the Juk Girl remix, right?
It is. But except on farm, a bar mitzvah.
Yeah.
But it still works. Yo,
Juk Girl, Juk Girl, Juk Girl, Juk Girl.
Energy God, holla at us, man. Let's get it.
Pick up the time.
Yo.
I see some sizzle. I see some Jews in here.
Yo,
I seen enough Jews before, but I never seen a Jew like this. I'm on a chair shit. Listen, we can make this video.
Bust it down style. Bar mitzvah. Bar mitzvah.
Circumcision. Circumcision. Foreskin. Foreskin.
Yo.
Fuck through the shit and you fuck through the shit.
Yo.
Wow. Problematic light is that. The problematic light was just like sleeping. It was like, oh shit.
Oh shit. Yo, my bad. All right.
Yeah.
We
You guys are wildin'.
on.
Y'all niggas wildin'.
All right, we bugging. Let's go.
Y'all niggas wildin'. You gotta look in the manual. It's like, what does it mean if the problematic light flashes 5 times in a row? And it's in the manual. It's just like, y'all niggas wildin'.
Y'all
Like,
niggas wildin',
fuck?
duh.
It just says it for if it blinks at any time. Niggas wildin'.
Shankle Malanko.
What if there was a real problematic light? That's everywhere you went, like every time you did something problematic, a light came on. It was like, bing, bing.
We should start
not a good Black Mirror
Make a
episode.
startup for that.
What, a problematic light that
Yeah.
just tracks you around?
Yeah, and it's like, yo.
It's there to Twitter.
Ooh. What should you say on Twitter, motherfucker? That's why the only thing I say on Twitter is just like shit in Spanish. Some people don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's not real language. It's not. Like, you guys are trying to make it happen. It's not gonna happen. It's like leet
Don't
speak.
make Spanish happen?
It's like leet speak. It's not gonna. Don't make fetch happen. It's not gonna catch on. Like, y'all been like, really think about it. Spanish been here since what, the 80s?
Yo, listen.
I mean, it's not catching on. Like, let that shit go.
Go
That shit is
anywhere.
like freestyle.
Go anywhere above 150th and try to order a meal and not know Spanish. You
know the funny thing is, living in the Bronx, I don't know any Spanish, but put me in a bodega 4 in the morning, nigga, I'm fluent as a motherfucker. The other day, someone asked me something, and I was like, I see. What? I don't know. They're like, he knows Spanish. He just be pronouncing all the R's and the double J's, but yeah.
Yo, fucking.
I'm like, yo, Lamo, Jesus.
Yo.
They're like, there's no Lamo.
No,
Nah, I was driving a Lamo yesterday. Me and LeBron.
You know what I'm saying?
LeBron's mother. She was dating him.
Dominican Spanish is like fucking Xbox updates, my nigga. Like, you can't even keep up. Like, every time you reboot your fucking brain, you gotta update the shit for an hour to get all the new slang.
The funniest thing was when we were in LA and you were like talking Dominican Spanish to like Mexicans.
And they were like,
They were just like, hey. It was like when you talk to me, I was just like, cause when you reach, listen, 2 Dominicans meeting each other in the wild is just like, it is a thing to see, nigga. It's like when 2 dogs that know each other on a walk see each other, like Chauncey and Biscuit. Like, oh shit! Start
what
sniffing
up,
each other's
nigga?
butts and shit. Pull out the
nigga?
flag.
Yeah, yo, what up, nigga?
Can't take a peek, Mike. Like, I don't know where a hookah shows up. I don't know how it happens. That's gonna be us in Rhode Island, isn't it?
I can't wait. I'm staged out.
I'm saying it right now. If you bring a Dominican flag to the Rhode Island show, you are being thrown out. We're confiscating them at the door.
You gotta bring all of them, B.
No hookah.
I'm a stage live, but you niggas better catch me. I'm not going out like Tekashi.
Oh. Do we got insurance for shade though? I don't think we do. Also,
Nigga, if I stage live and niggas don't catch me, I will die. So
yeah, you probably will.
You niggas better catch me.
Yeah. I'm trying to think, because some of those venues were not set up for stage diving. Which one was it? It was like tables?
Yeah.
Like you would have just ended up behind a table, just end up.
Like some wild spike in the middle of the floor.
Also, and this is the first time, we've never had food before at our tour. My mother and Mero's mother will be catering the tour. Okay?
You know what I mean? So get ready for that pernil, you know what I'm saying?
They will have the food. They'll be selling it out of a minivan outside the venue because they don't want to cut any of the money with the venue.
No.
You have to return their Tupperware. I cannot repeat how important this is. My mother will. If you've seen Taken, my mother treats her Tupperware the way that guy treats his daughters.
Exactly.
She's going to get it back.
She's coming for your shit.
You don't want to be. My mother don't want to be sitting in your living room in the dark. You turn on the light don't work. She looks like a cigar and she's just like.
Yep. And my mom ain't turning the
soup dish.
Yeah, my mom ain't turning the sternos on until that food is ice cold. So you niggas better pull up early.
Listen, you know how you know it's good? When all the oxtail is just all hard and fat. All the gravy solidified. Yeah, you gotta cut it out. That's how we're doing it. Yeah. Some warm ackee that's just been sitting inside the car all day. Yeah. Just gonna drive it up from New York. It's gonna be wonderful.
Yeah, enjoy that, you piece of garbage.
Yeah, just take that.
Yeah.
You all gotta share one plate with your whole row. Just keep passing it down. Take a bite, pass it down. We don't got enough plates for everybody.
Oh shit.
You know, that's what's going on.
Oh,
just want y'all to have I don't think no sizzling falafel.
Nah, don't do that.
Cause we can see from stage. We're gonna try to do the Kanye thing and get like the floating platform. You want to do that?
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Mosh pit kind of thing, and people underneath it.
Yeah, niggas just wild like the Matrix party scene. And
we
shit.
could get like our fathers to install the platform.
Oh yeah,
that should definitely go kill people.
Shit will collapse halfway through the show.
This is gonna be like mad different types of metal and shit, like galvanized steel and shit.
Bob's just taking bring an old door from like some old building. Like, no, Papi, it's good. It's good. Solid. It's solid woo.
Every time we step on it, it just creaks. It's like everyone underneath is like, whoa, whoa. Like, yo, we'll do the AKAs like, yo, it's your boy Desus. Whoa,
chill.
Fucking bolts and shit is falling down here. Niggas, get niggas drinks and shit like, yo.
Oh shit, y'all
need this? It's an O-ring. I'm like, yo, toss that up here. Toss it up here.
Can you just screw it in yourself from under?
Yo, what does this O-ring need?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw you a step stool.
And Pops just come out and just tie the shit with a towel. I'm like, that's not sturdy.
He's like, Papi, it's okay. I put a little tape on top. It's good. No.
We gotta be out here another hour.
Why, you pussy, my nigga?
I wanna fall.
No, you pussy, my nigga. Te tigre, maricón.
Just mad nervous on there, like, hi guys. Hey, welcome to the live show. Yo, is Yesenia in the building?
Yeah, what's good? Yeah.
Creek.
What's good? Yeah,
oh shit.
Yo.
There's a whole panel just falls like, oh shit.
Shit killed 3 niggas. You're like, oh shit.
Yo, die for the hive.
Die for the hive, yo. She's looking like a Travis Scott show.
Shit, niggas so drunk. They're like, yo, this shit is lit. Niggas got mad reviews like, yo, niggas died at that Bodega Boys show. That shit, I'm so glad I went.
That shit was a movie.
Yo, I don't regret anything. Niggas like, oh, niggas died. I'm missed out. Man.
She was more lit than Yams Day.
Niggas like, yo, my boy died. Niggas like, for real? They're like, yo, yeah. Niggas got the pin tweet. Yo, my boy died at the Bodega Boys tour. Yo.
Here's a picture of him.
Yo. Like, yo. Niggas like, yo, gang. Yo, that was his life goal to die at the Bodega. We find out his last tweet was like, yo, I died at the Bodega Boys tour. I'm like, oh shit. I throw this nigga a retweet.
Oh god.
Oh man, but yeah, don't dive. Get on the tour though. Be sure to come through Bodega Sushi. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, shout out to Square Cash.
Links is out there. Square Cash gang. You know
gang. We still banging with Square Cash. You got Bitcoin. You know, hold on to it. It's gonna come back strong. What doesn't kill you, it can only make you strong.
You know what I'm saying? 50 made $1 million off of Bitcoin already somehow.
You know, he also sold us water.
Quarter water is for $2.
That's the say. Oh man, but yeah, episode 97. Good year. Also remember the Air Max 97. That's a good pair.
Yeah, it's a good. Yeah.
Hey, listen, the serial killer was wearing those Clarice.
Oh my god.
His name is Michael Anthony.
I always feel like serial killers wear either Cortez or Blazers. I don't know why.
I don't know that many serial killers.
I don't know why. I just feel a picture of them wearing that. Or Monarchs. Air Monarchs.
Okay, I can see that. Probably Under Armours now. They want to have a little grip.
Yeah, wow.
Steph Curry definitely killed people in the past, so I can see that.
Yeah, he's trying to make amends with Christ now.
You're not low, Steph Curry.
Yeah, I'm not
coming for you. We're going to expose you next week.
Yeah.
Yo, as always, it's been your boy, Desus Nights, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Steak, Fat Like Cheerio, a.k.a. Chris Asper, Eli Lippy, Butchers with Gully, some of them might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo, Mil Novas at the Vente Cuatro, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Luguguki, put up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you, nigga.
The original +1 got +1 still make a fuss son. Desus Rossi and the Jamaican dude, Jermaine Avocado Toast.
Yeah.
Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chuck Coonery without the Coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K.L.O.K.
Papi.
Vice K. Makuzaka. Two-Phone Jones. DJ Machina. Day Chuckles. J. Chuckles. Stanley Cups. The Human Doctor. Bondo Label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Wool, like AK, are listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got Mero's favorite, Rome.
Hey.
Every time I see your face, crazy. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, the Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain all the human meme word, the jaw, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budcross, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human where there's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich. More say it with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more Prince of Peckham. No more Cup of Noodles. The Prince of Peckham. Let's make that claro. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. Cent. 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo.
Man's the cheese, man.
Yo, word up.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, Mr. Soft Pounds. All I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda. It's me, Sunny D.
Oh my God.
David, you're Mitt. These expensive. These is red bottom. These is bloody shoes. Smoking Noah. Wow, I'm not really helping the Knicks, so I guess I'll just walk away. Mr. Shopping, SUDs with bad breezes like I'm easy. Please believe me. The Black Asia addict who'll crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe.
Take that. Yo, episode 97, bro, is a great year, you know what I'm saying? First year I ever put angel dust to my lips. It's your boy, the mind-altering Mero, a.k.a. the human direct flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man, a.k.a. check the guess again, nigga. I'm right there, right next to Prince. What?
He died.
He what?
He died.
Oh, man, no, man. I bought my kids tech suits in every color, nigga. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Like Biombo, a.k.a. Diken Yabe Mutombo. You don't come in this pussy no more, my nigga. You cannot come in this pants. This belong to me now. Okay? Motherfucker. A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth, I make ladies' shoes. The Dominican Dada, a.k.a. Tom Brady. I'll win the Super Bowl and I'll cheat and I don't care, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Your girl got my balls deflated like a motherfucker. A.k.a. Feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man. A.k.a. Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato, a.k.a. Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I get you to smoke with me on Dykeman. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Boston. I'll replace your... I have the surgical knowledge to replace your brain with a bootleg copy of Wolfenstein. Now you can fight Nazis on your PC and at your local coffee shop.
That's nice of you.
You're welcome. I'll open your Mexican cabinet, nigga. You know why. Secure bezels. You know why, nigga. You know why. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dead man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport, niggas. Got my just 2 for $5, nigga. They stay in North Carolina, but don't worry about that. A.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the car down. A.k.a. East Tremont B, live from Cortona Park. I want to be the one your DD is sucking. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Sing that song, baby. Sing it. We love it.
Waiting for an Uber that I did not order. God damn, I'm high. Pulling from 40, it's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. For 3 bang. If you see me at Target smacked eating those gross, crunchy granola bars, nigga, the Nature Valley shits, nigga, because I'm smacked as fuck and I forgot to eat, mind your fucking business. Approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal, nigga. A.k.a. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. Right now, he's high off Dayquil now and laters. He's talking about woo, 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 woo. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó. Llegó el matatán. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, más caliente que la pistola de Rambo. Más frío con el quemalito de mamita. Big Tiger Gang, destruyendo Dykeman, matando Manhattan. Vacilando en el Bronx. Ponte clara de huevo, cacoñema, que me tienen dema porque la para soy yo. ¡Qué burla! We lit. Episode 97, nigga, suck my dick from the... Rest in peace, Michael Anthony.
Hey.
I'm still alive, dude. What the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Michael Anthony, get off their podcast. It's the most illustrious podcast. Don't fuck it up with your shit.
Yeah, nah, fuck you, man. They owe me money.
Hey, Michael Anthony, get the fuck out of here. As always, shout to Red Bull, the sponsor. You know what it is. We out here gang shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Whole lot of gang shit going on. Me and Mero about to go on Fifth Avenue and do a somersault into a innocent African vendor's table full of sunglasses.
Hey.
And what? For the clout, bro.
Yeah.
Got a whole lot of gang shit going on.
See you next week, ball bags.
We out.
Peace.